Hello everybody, I wanted to show you how to check and see if you have the Kami extension. This is a PDF editor. It is part of the Google Suite and it is a extension that you can use in order to edit PDFs and to be able to edit them and then send them back to the teacher, or for most of you that have Accelerate, or if I'm sending you worksheets and you don't want to do them by hand and print them, this is a really good way to do this. So what you do is you pull up a Google Chrome tab just like this. You're going to go up here to the top right corner. You should have something that looks like a puzzle piece here. And if you hover over it, it'll say extensions. If you click on that, if you already have the Kami extension downloaded, it will be on this list right here. So I already have it downloaded right here. If you do not, you will go down here and click Manage Extensions. And then you'll go over here to the left corner and click on the three bars. Go to the bottom, click Open Chrome Web Store, search for Kami, and it's K-A-M-I, and it should pop up right here. If you don't have it, you should click on it and it'll say Add to Chrome. If it will not allow you to add to Chrome, then let me know. We may need to call Beasley Technology and have them add it for you. It's a possibility that they may have it blocked. I'm not 100% sure. So if you need help doing this, feel free to send me a message. And we can do a video chat to help get you started and get it downloaded for you.